If you've been paying attention to the news, you might have heard about NFTs, but you are thinking of what exactly they are and how they work. The advent of non-fungible tokens has completely changed the landscape of digital art and collectibles. These days, the crypto market is home to hundreds of exciting NFTs businesses. The NFT market offers you lots of chances to make money if you're an investor, collector, or artist. You've arrived at the right place if you've been wondering how to make money from NFTs. In this video, we will take a look at some different ways of investing in NFTs, from creating and selling your own digital art to investing in metaverse land. These tips are going to help you navigate the NFT market and potentially make significant returns. At last, we are also going to discuss the benefits and risks of investing in NFTs, so be with us till the end. For those who are new to NFTs, non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are unique digital assets that are kept on a blockchain. Unlike replaceable cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, each NFT has a unique value and cannot be replicated. NFTs are coveted in the art industry because of their unique characteristics. The digital art market includes various artistic mediums, including animations, virtual reality, and digital paintings and illustrations. Digital art hasn't always had the same rarity and provenance as tangible art. But NFTs have made it possible to authenticate and pay for digital works in new ways. The importance of NFTs must be understood in order to be fully comprehended. On platforms like Ethereum, blockchain technology is generally used to generate NFTs. Each NFT has metadata confirming its authenticity, legal ownership, and transactional history. This data is visible and fixed because it is permanently stored on the blockchain. NFT marketplaces are specialized online marketplaces where NFTs are bought, sold, and traded. These sites serve as intermediaries, bringing together investors, collectors, and artists. When an NFT is bought, the buyer has ownership rights, and the transaction is documented on the blockchain, verifying the provenance of the digital work. NFTs have seen an explosive rise in popularity as more and more artists and collectors flee to the digital art industry. Due to the rise in popularity, NFT artworks have sold for millions of dollars, attracting media attention. The market for digital art is still booming as more artists use NFTs, and more investors see their potential. Well, let's talk about the most awaited part of how to make money with NFTs. Making and selling NFTs is one of the most direct methods to profit from them. You can tokenize your work as an artist or content producer to make it a distinct, tradable asset on the blockchain. Here is how to get started with NFT creation. In order to create art, you must first select your medium. NFTs include a wide variety of digital media, such as images, videos, music, 3D models, and even virtual reality experiences. Choose the task you find most enjoyable and excel at it. The next stage is to create your asset. Invest effort in making it unique and aesthetically pleasing, so that collectors or investors would appreciate it. Then decide which NFT marketplace you want to use. There are many NFT marketplaces where you can mint and list your art, like OpenSea, Rarible, and Foundation. Before choosing a platform, consider its fees, user base, and supported blockchains. Minting your NFT is the next step. After deciding on a marketplace, follow their rules for minting NFTs, submit your digital art, and make a token to represent it on the blockchain. Finalize your NFT for sale listing. Then, either for a fixed price or as an auction, list your NFT on the marketplace with a price in mind. Here's a tip to raise awareness and boost the value of your NFTs. Think about working with other well-known artists, making use of social media marketing, or even producing limited edition collections. If you are lazy like me and don't want to create NFTs, you can go with another way to make money with NFTs. Investing in digital collectibles and art. This is buying non-fungible tokens that are part of a series or set with the intention of reselling them for more money in the future. World of Women, Bored Ape Yacht Club, and CryptoPunks are a few popular NFT collections. To get started with investing in NFT collections, you have to follow these steps. A first and very vital step is to look into current and upcoming collections. Monitor NFT marketplaces, social media platforms, and industry news for upcoming, trending releases that might be worthwhile. Then consider the factors of value and rarity, based on elements like edition size, artist renown, and distinctive characteristics. Determine the rarity of NFTs in a collection. Generally speaking, Rarity increases with value. Set a budget. Pick your investment limit for NFT collections and stick to it. Keep in mind that there is no assurance of returns while investing in NFTs and that it can be risky. Invest in NFTs. Buy the NFTs on a reliable marketplace once you've found a collection that fits your interests and investing objectives. Lastly, monitor the market. Keep checks on the value of your NFTs while keeping informed with collection-related news and trends. When the time is right, consider selling your NFTs for profit. Here is a pro tip for you. Investing in different collections and artists will help you spread your NFT investments, lowering risk and boosting benefits. Another way to make money with NFTs is through passive income by staking them. To get benefits, usually in the form of the platform's native cryptocurrency, staking involves locking up your NFTs in a smart contract. Here's how you could get started with NFT staking. Choose a secure staking platform. Research several NFT staking platforms, taking into account things like supported NFTs, staking rewards, and platform repute. Unifty, NFT20, and Muse are a few examples of NFT staking platforms. Invest in NFTs to stake your NFTs and lock them up in a smart contract for a set amount of time. Follow the platform's rules. Earn benefits. Take the use of extra incentives, or the platform's native coin as staking rewards. Sell after unstaking. You can unstake your NFTs when your staking term is up and either keep them or sell them on the open market. Tip for you: be aware of the potential risks involved with staking, such as weak points in smart contracts and probable NFT depreciation. Always do your homework before deciding to stake your NFTs on a platform. With the growth of the metaverse, there are now more prospects for NFTs to profit from investments in virtual real estate and other assets. A metaverse platform's virtual land is a digital space that may be purchased, sold, and developed. Platforms in the metaverse include Decentraland, The Sandbox, and Somnium Space. Find a metaverse platform. A metaverse platform that fits your interests and investing objectives by researching different ones. Think about elements like user base, future development potential, and market activity. Invest in virtual property. Utilize the platform's native cryptocurrency or other accepted tokens to purchase virtual land on the platform's marketplace. Develop your virtual land by adding virtual experiences, events, or other items to increase its worth. This can draw users and bring in money from advertising or in-world commerce. Land can be rented or sold. You can decide whether to sell your virtual property for a profit after its value has risen or rent it out to other users for ongoing revenue. Let's take a little dip into the benefits and risks of investing in NFTs. Investment in NFTs can be appealing to both seasoned investors and those who are new to the digital asset market for a number of reasons. Owning a digital asset. The ability to buy, sell, and trade distinctive digital content on a worldwide scale is made possible by NFTs, which offer a means of demonstrating ownership of digital assets. High potential returns. Some NFTs have had astounding returns on investment, with valuable earnings generated from the sale of coveted and rare objects. Diversification. If you already have investments in other cryptocurrencies or digital assets, NFTs can provide a novel and intriguing method to diversify your portfolio. Assisting creators and artists. By investing in NFTs, you directly assist artists and creators by giving them a new source of income and promoting their work. Although investing in NFTs has several benefits, it is important to be aware of any potential risks. Market turbulence. Prices on the NFT market can change drastically and quickly. Both huge benefits and losses may result from this. Liquidity is lacking. When there is little demand for a particular asset, or when the market as a whole is undergoing a slump, some collections experience very few NFT transactions. Intellectual property and copyright issues. NFTs' copyright and intellectual property rights may give rise to legal problems, especially if the developer lacks the authority to tokenize the asset in the first place. Scams and fraud. Like any other developing market, the NFT sector has experienced its fair share of fraud and scams. As an illustration, some shady people sell their own NFTs to boost the value of their digital assets artificially.
A lot of shitty people.
Before participating, it is critical to use prudence and conduct in-depth research on any NFT investments or platforms. That's all for now. As much as I can talk about NFTs, hope you guys found this video helpful, and after that, I hope you invest in NFTs and make good returns. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, as I will keep coming up with more interesting money-making videos.